Here I am reading out question number 14. X, Y and Z are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 2:2:1. Fixed capital of the partners were X rupees 5 lakhs, Y rupees 5 lakhs and Z rupees 2,50,000 respectively. The partnership deed provides that interest on capital is to be allowed at the rate of 10% per annum. Z is to be allowed salary of rupees 2,000 per month. Profit of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2020 after debiting Z's salary was rupees 4 lakhs. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So here is the format of profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2020. Student, why I have mentioned current account here? See, in the question it is written their fixed capitals. Okay, so partners capital can be maintained by two ways, either by fixed method or by fluctuating method. If in the question it is written their fixed capital, under that we need to prepare two accounts, that is partners capital account and partners current account. So all the transaction, all the appropriations in that condition will go to current account. Okay, instead of capital we'll use the word current if capitals are fixed. And if nothing is written like their capital of the partners, that means we are following fluctuating method. Under fluctuating method we only prepare one account, that is partners capital account. Understood the difference? If fixed capital is written, you'll use the word current account instead of capital, and if nothing is mentioned, we'll write capital account only. Okay, so first we need to transfer our profit which is given in the question to the credit side of P&L appropriation account. For that I have written by profit and loss account. See why I have done this adjustment. You can see in the question it is written profit of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2020 after debiting Z's salary was rupees 4 lakh. Okay, ये जो profit amount है इसमें Z की salary जो appropriation है वो already subtract किया हुआ है. Z salary is 2,000 per month, so annual salary would be 2,000 into 12, 24,000, which is already subtracted from this amount. And because we show the profit before appropriation here, ठीक है, Z salary is your appropriation. हम यहाँ पे जो profit है that is before appropriation show करते हैं. That's why I have added back the salary to the profit amount. Okay, so that's why it is written 4 lakh plus 24,000, 4,24,000. This is the first alternative. Okay, जब आप यहाँ पे salary add back करके show कर रहे हो, that means डेबिट साइड आप वो सैलरी को फिर से मेंशन करोगे, ठीक है, क्योंकि आप पहले की प्रॉफिट शो कर रहे हो और बता रहे हो सैलरी हम माइनस कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव. अनदर ऑल्टरनेटिव वुड बी यू जस्ट राइट योर 4 लाख. ओके, आप 24,000 मत ऐड करो, आप 4 लाख ही शो करोगे, बट इन दैट कंडीशन यू वुड नॉट राइट सैलरी हियर. ओके, अंडरस्टूड both the alternatives. First alternative आफ्टर डेबिटिंग बोला है, मतलब वो डिडक्शन के बाद का प्रॉफिट है और हमें यहाँ पहले की प्रॉफिट दिखाना होता है. बिफोर अप्रोप्रिएशन आप सैलरी को एड बैक कर दोगे. ओके, एंड हियर इट इज 4,24,000. देन सेपरेटली शो योर सैलरी ऑन द डेबिट साइड. अनदर वे जस्ट टू शो प्रॉफिट दैट इज 4 लाख ओनली, एंड उस कंडीशन पे आप सैलरी यहाँ पे मत लिखो क्योंकि सैलरी तो ऑलरेडी डिडक्ट हो चुकी है. ऑलराइट, सो हियर इट इज. फर्स्ट इज इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. इट इज रिटन इन द क्वेश्चन 10% अलाउड ऑन कैपिटल. सो 10% ऑफ दिस 5 lakh, 5 lakh and 2,50,000 we got 50,000, 50,000 and 25,000. Just now I told you because we have fixed method we need to write current account. So to interest on capital X current account, Y's current account, Z's current account, 50, 50 and 25,000. Outer column 1,25,000. Then Z's current account salary, because we have added back the salary here. That's why we are writing salary debit side 24,000. 2,000 per month into 12, your annual salary would be 24,000. Last step to calculate profit, because there are no more adjustments. Interest on capital we are done, salary done. Okay, now profit or loss. See, credit side total is 4,24,000 and debit side total is 1,49,000. Total of these two. 4,24,000 minus 1,49,000 is 2,75,000, which is to be distributed in their ratio. It is given in the question 2:2:1. So 2/5 of 2,75,000, again 2/5 of 2,75,000, then 1/5 of 2,75,000. These are the share of the partners. Now question number 15. X and Y are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2 with capitals of rupees 8 lakhs and rupees 6 lakhs respectively. Interest on capital is agreed at the rate of 5% per annum. Y is to be allowed an annual salary of rupees 60,000 which has not been withdrawn. Profit for the year ended 31st March 2020 before interest on capital, but after charging Y's salary was rupees 2,40,000. A provision of 5% of the net profit is to be made in respect of commission to the manager. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account showing the allocation of profit. So first of all, we need to calculate profit which will be transferred to credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. Here is a working note. In the question it is written profit before interest but after charging Y's salary 2,40,000. Okay. You can see in the question. See. Profit of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2020 after debiting before interest on capital but after charging Y's salary rupees 2,40,000. ओके मतलब Y की जो सैलरी है वो ऑलरेडी डिडक्ट हो चुकी है इस प्रॉफिट में, तो आप इसे ऐड बैक कर दोगे बिकॉज वी नीड प्रॉफिट बिफोर एप्रोप्रिएशन. एनुअल सैलरी इज गिवन 60,000, सो हियर इट इज 2,40,000 plus 60,000 is 3 lakhs. Okay. Now one more point is given in the question. A provision of 5% of net profit is to be made in respect of commission to the manager. Now this 5% of manager's commission will be calculated. Whenever appropriations are deducted from the profit, first you need to add back all those appropriation. Then from the amount you will calculate charges. So manager's commission is a charge against profit. We will calculate this 5% of rupees 3 lakh. It is 15,000. As you know, we show this manager's commission in profit and loss account. Okay. So जो net profit आप mention करोगे in P&L appropriation account, that would be 3 lakh less 15,000, that is manager's commission. It is 2,85,000. This is the net profit which is to be transferred to P&L appropriation account credit side. It is written by profit and loss account 2,85,000. Then first appropriation is interest on capital. It is given 5%. So 8 lakh का 5% is 40,000 and 5% of 6 lakh is 30,000. So here it is. X interest is 40,000, Y's interest 30,000, outer column 70,000. Y's salary account you will write 60,000 because we have added back our profit, our salary here. With the profit amount will show this salary separately. Okay. Then we'll calculate profit amount. 2,85,000 minus 1,30,000. Profit we got rupees 1,55,000, which is to be distributed in the ratio of 3:2. Here it is 3:2. So 3/5 of 1,55,000 is 93,000. 2/5 of 1,55,000 is 62,000. Outer column will show 1,55,000.